Today we are going to start a new topic, study of ICs. Study of ICs. Today we are going to start a new topic, study of ICs. So in this topic we have to study three different types of ICs. First, IC triple five. First, IC triple five. It is a timer IC. It is a timer IC. IC triple five, it is a timer IC. Second, operational amplifier, op-amp IC 741. IC 741 is called as operational amplifier, that is op-amp. And third, IC LM317. IC LM317, it is an adjustable voltage regulator. Adjustable voltage regulator. We can adjust the output voltage from this IC. We can adjust the regulated output voltage from 1.25 volt to 37 volt DC. So first we will study about IC triple five. We will study about IC triple five. So why this IC is called as IC triple five? Because in this IC there are three equal resistors of 5K, 5K and 5K as a voltage divider. So this IC is called as IC triple five because there are three equal resistors of 5 kilo ohm each. Therefore this IC is called as IC triple five. So it is a timer IC. It is a timer IC. So first we will study the features of IC triple five. Features. What are the features of IC triple five? So IC triple five is a low cost timer IC. It is low cost. It is a low cost timer IC and it is available in DIP plastic package. DIP means dual inline plastic package. Dual inline plastic package. It is a low cost 8-pin IC, 8-pin, and it is available in DIP package. It provides precise time delay. Precise means accurate. It gives accurate time delay or precise time delay. It provides a precise time delay. Okay. Then second, it is operated or it is used in three different modes. It is used in three different modes: monostable operation or monostable multivibrator, astable multivibrator, and bistable multivibrator. Monostable, astable, and bistable multivibrator. This IC can be operated in three different modes: monostable multivibrator, astable multivibrator, and bistable multivibrator. Then third feature, it provides two complementary outputs. It provides two complementary outputs just like a flip-flop. Q and Q bar means from output from this IC we can connect two LEDs. Output from this IC we can connect two LEDs like this. So when one LED is on, the other LED remains off, and when first LED is off, then second LED will be on. Okay, so it gives two complementary outputs, just like a flip-flop. Then this IC is compatible for both analog and digital circuit. It is suitable for both analog and digital circuits. Then uh, time delay provided by time delay uh, time delay given by this IC or time delay generated by this IC is independent of the supply voltage. Time delay provided by this IC is independent of the supply voltage. For example, if we adjust the time for 10 seconds and the supply voltage is suppose 5 volt, then this time delay does not change even we change the supply voltage from 8 volt to 10 volt or 5 volt to 10 volt. Okay, 5 volt to 8 volt, the time delay does not change, so it is independent of the supply voltage. Okay, then the pin diagram of IC555, pin diagram of IC555. Pin diagram. Pin number 1, pin number 2, pin number 3, pin number 4, pin number 5, pin number 6, pin number 7 and pin number 8. IC555. So what is pin number 1? Pin number 1 means ground. Pin number 1, it is for ground. Pin number 2, trigger. Pin number 2, trigger. Pin number 3, output. Pin number 3, output. Pin number 4, reset. Pin number 4, reset. Pin number 5, control voltage, VC. Control voltage. Pin number 5, control voltage. Pin number 6, threshold. Pin number 7, discharge. And pin number 8, plus VCC. So these are the 8 pins. Pin number 1, it is for ground. This pin is always connected to the negative terminal of the supply voltage. Pin number 1. Pin number 2, trigger. Trigger pulse is applied to pin number 2. Pin number 3, output. We can take the output from pin number 3. Pin number 4, reset. Pin number 5, control voltage. Pin number 6, threshold. Pin number 7, discharge. And pin number 8, plus VCC. Okay, this IC555 consists of one voltage divider of 3 equal resistors of 5 kilo ohm each. Then IC555 also consists of 2 comparators, upper comparator and lower comparator. Then IC555 consists of one RS flip-flop and one discharge transistor and one voltage follower or emitter follower type output stage. Okay, so these are all in IC555. Then next time we will study about the internal block diagram of IC555. Internal block diagram of IC555. Okay. So what we have studied, first we have studied the introduction. IC555 is a low cost timer IC. Timer circuit is used to control the on and off of the device for a particular or our desired time. We can set the time to turn on or turn off the device for our desired time or for our particular time. We can set the time delay to on and off of the device. It is called as timer. For example, an electrical bell of period or lecture, this ring time of the bell can be adjusted for a suitable time to turn on or turn off. Okay, so this is called as timer circuit. We will stop here.